Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to explore one more beautiful module from OCA, Odoo Community Association, which is available with Sales Workflow branch and with version 19 it is free. The module is Sales Order Product Recommendation. So as the name gives us an idea, like the module itself will give a recommendation of products based on the customer's historical purchases. Like whatever sales order we can see, it gives us different set of parameter which allows us to create a recommended product list based on the customer historical sales order. So I have created some sample demo data in my database, and then let's explore how this module works. After installation, once you go to sales module, you can go to settings, and over here you can see a new configuration which will give us an idea to configure sales order recommendation parameters, on which basis the system will calculate and allow us to see the recommendations. So here you can see the first parameter, product recommendation price. So either Odoo will recommend the product based on the last sales price or the price list associated with that customers. We will see the impact once we run a use case. Then up to how long system will go to backward to generate the recommendation. The current parameter is the months. Months is 6 months. I can go up to 12 months or more, or even 2 months if I want less recommendation in terms of historical data to show us. Then it will also ask us like add recommended product in SO even if units included is 0. Like in any case, if the recommendation has a 0 quantity, which can allow us to use that. The one more important parameter is if we want to use the delivery address as a parameter to fetch the recommendation, we can use that also. And how many recommendation it should include in that widget. Okay, we can do maybe 3 and see. And then here an open parameter to set a conditional rule based on what condition we want to generate the recommendation. So any object which is inside your sales order, you can see here to generate the recommendation. So we will see how the module works. Right now, if I go to my sales order, you can see wholesale C1, customer 1, customer 2, those have some history. Now in terms of my customers, customer 1 having default price list, wholesale 1 having the default price list over here. In terms of sales order, when I go over here, then we can see wholesale 1 customer have a separate price list associated with certain of his orders. So you can see here. Now if I am generating any new quotation for wholesale 1 customer, and then I would like to fetch my recommendation. So what parameters are running? So I'm duplicating the window, and then over here I can see bread, butter, milk, cheese has been purchased with default price list. Then milk purchase with B2B price list, and all other bread, butter, cheese, milk again has purchased by B2B price list. So if I want to generate my recommendation, I can click on this wizard and then it can go up to how many months you want. This comes from our default and this comes from last sales price. And I want to generate any top 3 recommendation based on the parameter over here. The parameter is how many times it is delivered or how many units it is delivered, how or which product category it is used most, and according to product name. So top 3 product like bread, butter, milk I can see over here, and we can see units included. Like currently it is having 0 units included, but I can include more. And the price is 88, 121, 81, which we can see over here based on the price list. So over here, if I say based on price list and how many times it is delivered, it is again showing the same list, milk, bread, butter with the revised price list 99, 88, 121. So milk is 99. If I change my criteria to last sales price, the milk becomes 81. So you can see based on the price list, I can see, and if I accept, it will include all the product based on the quantity what I want. So let's say if customer is buying 10, 2 and 3, and if I want to run this recommendation based on last sales price, and then I want to include top 5 products, how many units deliver, it will generate the recommendation over here. Like unit included 10, 2 and 3, and cheese was also there because I have increased my recommendation list to 5 top products, and this is how I can see the units delivered in past 6 months were 9, 5, 3 and 2, which accordingly we can find in the historical sales order for the same customer. So this is how we can use this thing. Now if I move to customer 2 and I want to generate my recommendation, and if I want to add bread, let's say I'm buying 11 units, and then if I want to run my recommendation based on how many units delivered, then it will show like milk, bread and cheese, top 3 products delivered, like 2 products delivered, 2 times it is delivered, and then units delivered 3 units till now. So if I want to units include, if I say 11, then if I want like this, I don't want to include. So bread, I want to include only 3 units, which is coming here, and 1 unit, and then I accept, then it will all added to my product quotation, product inside my quotation immediately with this. So this is how you can generate the recommended product list based on the master configuration, based on the delivery address also over here. So that's how you can utilize this beautiful module for free without paying any cost, and generate your own way to create a conditional configuration parameter, and recommendation can be generated on tip of your click with the predefined parameter, or on the fly you can change those parameter in sales order. So I will include the link to download this module, and you can install in version 18, 19 or any previous version and utilize this if you want to engage your sales team to your customer very closely by generating the recommendation of the products based on the historical sales order. Thank you guys. If you have any question, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Thank you.